Hello my friends and subscribers! My name is Alexander Stepanov. These nails are staying on 9 weeks. You know, we have a lot of clients who prefer visiting us once of 3 months. And this is because the quality of products and the level of technique is the highest. You know, I already told about that it's very important to use only high professional techniques, and every day in my every video I'm trying to teach you how to do nails perfectly. A lot of people are still criticizing me, still criticizing our techniques, but the video by video, day by day, our clients prove you that this technique is perfect. Nails are staying on very long, and as you can see, we have no liftings, no breakings. So if you guys follow this technique, all my advice and tips, and if you use our fantastic products, our fantastic drill bits, amazing sculpting mix gels, base gels and top coats, you have such amazing results. I will tell you also about the most important thing that you should remember when you are doing these nails. The first thing, you should remove all lifted product and all the nail design. Don't leave remaining nail design on nails. But never remove all surface of gel. This is for avoiding traumatizing the nail plate. You should remember that you should shape nails before applying the product on them to make them maximum neat and maximum prepared for placing. And of course, the work with the nail plate for removing the pterygia is, and of course the primering, these are the most important things, the most important steps that you should apply to provide protection from lifting and getting dirt under the nail plate. This is the main thing. What do you use for removing the cuticles? It doesn't matter. You can use nippers or scissors. By the way, all these cutters are available in my store too. You can order them on shapeofnail.com. So guys, no matter what kind of way you apply for removing the skin, you just not remove the skin, but this is necessary for preparing this area for placing product very close to cuticles, because if you don't do it, the look of natural of the result will not amaze your client. And this is because a lot of people now are watching the Instagram, and we have a trend of the neat cuticles and the perfect applying of the product very close to the skin. These are amazing things, but you shouldn't remove all the skin. You shouldn't hardly remove the skin like Punisher or like crazy nail tech. You should neatly cut some skin that I mean the skin that don't let you apply the product as it I mean in correct way. Okay, and as you noticed, guys, we use two types of sculpting mix gel. The first one, the classic sculpting mix gel, which you can order in my store. This has the thick consistency, and we use it for lifting up the nail plate, curved nails, and it has, so it's easy to sculpt nails. And the second one, the same product, but with you can add a little bit base gel, mix the base gel together with the sculpting mix gel, and this way you will make it more liquid, and you can apply the next coat, which will cover the previous one and remove all gapes, all not neat places. So combining two types of sculpting mix gel, the classic and the mixed, the second type mixed with the base gel, you can achieve such perfect alignment of the nail plate and lifting up the nail plate, like you can see in the video. And of course, using barrel gel bit helps us quickly work with such mountings on nails. I mean, it quickly helps to remove some gel on the edges of nails, some gel from the side walls, on the top of the nail plate, and of course using the congeal bit help us to remove the dirt from underneath the nail plate and some gel in hidden places. Okay, and as you noticed too, we shape nails two times. For the first time when we start our work and we had removed already the gel, and at the second time after placing the gel, and this guarantees you that the shape of nail will be perfect without any not neat and flat places. You can be sure that your client will be amazed with such shape. But of course you can save your time, and you can save your time and don't shape nails at all. But if you try hard, try to the maximum to align the nail plate using these gels. This is your decision, but as you can see, my brother he worked a lot, and he performed this technique to the ideal, and I think that it's not needed to change something here. Just learn this technique and have some fun with playing with our products. As you can see, guys, he also used the sculpting mix gel mixed with base gel after shaping the nail plate, and this is preparing the nail plate for applying the French manicure with Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint, and cover some area where we have something like the margin between the sculpting mix gel and the natural nail plate. Let's take a look on the result. I think this French manicure is amazing and ideal. What do you think about this? Please click like, subscribe to our channel, and see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye.